Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about education, school, university, qualifications, and study life. This vocabulary is useful when meeting new people, writing CVs, or discussing your background. Let's start with the British education system. Children start primary school at age 5. At 11, they move to secondary school, which goes up to age 16. At 16, students take their GCSE, General Certificate of Secondary Education, which are exams in multiple subjects. After GCSE, students can stay in education for 2 more years to take A-levels, advanced level qualifications. A-levels are usually needed to get into university. You might say, she's doing her A-levels at the moment, it's really intensive. University, also called higher education, leads to a degree. Students doing their first degree are called undergraduates. After that, you can study for a master's or a PhD. These are postgraduate qualifications. A postgraduate is someone who already has a first degree and is studying at a higher level. During a degree, students study different modules, individual units of study. At the end, many courses require a dissertation, a long piece of independent research. You might say, I spent all summer working on my dissertation. It was exhausting but worth it. Some students take a gap year, a year off before starting university, to travel, work, or volunteer. This is very common in the UK. You might say, I took a gap year and went traveling in South America before starting my degree. After university, students graduate, they complete their course and receive their qualification. You might describe someone as, she graduated with a first, that's the highest grade, and went straight into a great job. Today, we covered the British education system, key qualifications, university life, and useful study vocabulary. Education is a rich topic. Keep exploring it. See you next lesson.